This is the HiSmile Teeth Whitening Kit. Each kit comes with an LED light, a flexible mouth tray, and 3 whitening gel syringes. We've also included a step-by-step instructional manual and a shade guide so you can keep track of your whitening progress. Before you get started, make sure you take a clear picture of your teeth. You can use this photo alongside the guide to figure out what shade your teeth are currently. We've also left some space on the card for you to mark it down, in case you forget. Most people like to use the kit at night, just before going to bed. It's also a good idea to brush your teeth before use, so they're nice and clean and ready to whiten. First things first, on the back of the LED light is a battery cover. Turn the cover anti-clockwise and lightly pull to open up the battery compartment. Inside you'll find 2 circular batteries and a small plastic slip. The light won't power up until the plastic is removed, so push down on the batteries while you pull the slip upwards and out. Double check that the batteries have the writing face up, and reattach the battery cover by turning it to the lock position. You can now attach the mouth tray to the LED light. The mouth tray requires no molding, so it's as easy as fitting it to the device and you're good to go. You're now ready to start your first application. So take out one of your gels and twist off the small white cap. If you look closely at the gel, you'll see that there are quarter markings along the side. Our kit whitens both upper and lower teeth, so apply a quarter of the gel to the top of the mouth tray and another quarter to the bottom. Make sure that the gel is applied to the face of the mouth tray, all the way around. If you've missed a spot, you can use your finger to spread the gel out evenly. Don't forget to twist the cap back onto your gel and store it in the tray. You can now place the kit into your mouth and adjust it to a good position where the gel is touching your teeth evenly. Press the button on top of the light to begin your whitening process. Each treatment only takes 10 minutes with an automatic timer. Once complete, the light will make a small beeping sound to let you know you can take out the kit. There may be some excess gel and saliva, so make sure you're close by to the sink to spit and rinse. The last step is to clean and dry the mouth tray and place everything back in the kit box. That's all there is to it. Repeat the process every day for 6 consecutive days to achieve maximum results. It's a good idea to avoid dark food and drinks such as coffee, tea, red wine, and even pasta sauce during your whitening cycle. After your last application is complete, take another picture of your teeth to match to the shade guide. Try to use the same lighting conditions and setting as your original picture to get the best comparison. And there you have it. If you have any further questions or require any assistance, our team is always here to help.